Okay guys, we are back at the beginning of our last round, and we're going to close out with a half double crochet. Pull it a little tight. And from there I chain 2, snip my work, pull my hook, cinch it down, and see, we've got 2 beautiful squares. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead on and weave in my end. And I'm just going to follow the underbelly of this back side here. Pull through, and I'm going to go back along that same path. And I'm going to give it one more pass. The yarn came out, but it's okay. Then I'm going to snip, and we're done. And there we have a square. And you can see that you can either do it with colors, you can do it all the same color. It is completely up to you and you know how you make your blanket. And if you want to check up on it, of course, we're right here. And if you have blocking, you can always block your stitches, block your squares. I'm not going to block mine. Because I'm actually going to sew the squares together. And as I sew them together, it's going to pull them into place. And then the whole blanket is going to go into the washing machine. Yes. So there we are with our crop circle. Now stay tuned for the next 3 that will be coming out. We have the cluster buck. Sorry, I keep hitting the light. But we've got the cluster buck. We've got the single crochet with tapestry appeal. And we've got the bobble squared. So those are the next 3 squares that we have coming up. Stay tuned for those, guys. I hope to see you back for the next tutorial. And until then, you know what to do. Be bold, be brave, be beautiful, and behave. Remember, Kitty Lane told you. Remember, Kitty Lane loves you. Until we see each other again on these YouTube streets. Peace out, everybody.